In this video, we're going to show you how to apply for the timber tax credit. If you go to our website, dor.georgia.gov, you'll see we have a link for you. Click on apply for timber tax credit. It's going to take you to this page here, and it provides some useful information that will make your process for applying for timber tax credit easier. UGA has provided us a supplement that shows you who qualifies, gives you a breakdown of the area, the rules and the regulations and that. So here on this highlighted map here, you can see the areas that have been designated. Also, we have a how-to in PDF format, which is step by step. I'm going to be covering those steps in this video. And you'll see here how we have it laid out. And before we start, we're going to need two forms. IRS Form 4684 and 2024 Property Tax Assessment Notice. If you do not have these forms, you'll need to create them. So one of the things you can do is go to irs.gov, type in Form 4684 for 2024, pull up a blank one, fill it out with your information, fill out the best of your ability. Also here, you want to make sure you put the designated relief area number for Georgia, which is 4830. You want to save that to your device. And you want to do the same thing too. If you're not able to obtain your property tax assessment while you're applying, you want to make a Word document and just put in there that you'll provide it later. So now we are going to go to Georgia Tax Center. The website for Georgia Tax Center is gtc.dor.ga.gov. Hopefully you have a username and password already set up. If not, you'll need to click here and create you an account. Once you've created an account, you can log back in. Once you log in, your screen should look like this. This in this example here is for a corporate account, but it will be the same for individual. At the account dashboard, we are going to click Manage My Credits. And under Manage My Credits, we are looking for the hyperlink that says Request Credit Pre-Approval. So once you get there, we're going to hit the drop-down box. We are looking for Credit 155. So there it is, Timber Tax Credit for 2025. We're going to select that. Hit Next. The funding period is 2025. So we're going to check the box here. Select Next. Most of our information is going to be in there. If your contact information is not in there, then you'll need to type that in real quick. We're going to scroll down. So over here is going to be the counties that are eligible for the credit. If your county is not listed, then that means that county is not included in this example here. I will select Worth. I'll type in the address. And type in the parcel numbers. If you have multiple properties in the same county, you can just go to the next line here. Type in the address, put the parcel. Okay, and then we'll type in 12/31/2025 here. We're going to hit next, and we're going to answer the questions. So we're going to say yes, that we're the owner of the property. We're going to say no here. To keep it simple, we're going to say it's just pine, and hit no for hardwood, no for mixed pine, and no for other. Other would be any type of farming crop similar to pecans. If this is not applicable to you here on line 4, we're going to hit no. If this does not apply to you, we're going to hit no. If you have a gate card, you would hit yes, and you would enter your gate card number. If you don't have a gate card number, you're going to select no. This is your best guess of when you think you'll have it replanted. So just kind of select a year. We'll just say 2026. Here on 8, we'll hit yes because we're replanting the damaged property. If this, you want to hit yes here, hit next. So in this case here, we're going to pretend our form's already been filled out, and we have $50,000 loss claim here. We're going to say the fair market value of it was $50,000 before it was damaged. The property's only worth about $2,000 after. So that gives us this here. We're going to say it's 50 acres in our parcels. We're going to hit next. And this is the part where we add the attachments. So we're going to add the IRS form 4684 first. We're going to hit the drop down box, hit IRS form 4684. We'll type in that same description. We're going to choose our file. And we'll hit OK. Then we're going to do the same thing for the property tax assessment notice. We're going to hit the type of form. We're going to select 2024 property tax assessment notice as a type. We'll type in the description as the same. Then we'll hit choose file. And we'll select our document. Hit OK. After we've done those 2 forms there, we'll hit next. It gives us a rough summary. Then we'll check the box that we did to the best of our ability, to the best of our knowledge. Then we'll hit submit. And then we're going to click OK. And this is what a successful submission looks like. You'll have a confirmation number, and you can print it if you choose to. If you have property in multiple counties that were impacted by the hurricane, you can go back here and hit manage my credits. And then we can do request credit pre-approval form. Again, we're going to select 155 for timber tax credit. We're doing the same process again, but this time we're going to do it for a different county. For those of you that may have tracts of land in multiple counties that were impacted. Fill in our contact information. Go down here, and I'll use TIFT. Type in the address. And we will type in this 31. We'll select next. Yes, you're the owner. If it's no and you lease that property, then you need to make sure you can fill out these parts here. Type in the name here. This time we'll do mixed. I'm still hit no, no, no. We'll say we're going to hopefully have it done by 2026. We'll hit yes. We're planting in the same spot. Same thing here. We'll do 30,000 here. $1,000 there. We'll go here. I'll say it's 80 acres. Hit next. Now we're going to upload those two required documents, IRS Form 4684 and Property Tax Assessment for 2024. We're going to click on Add Attachments, do our drop-down box for IRS form. We're going to type in that same description. Hit Choose File. And we're going to select our IRS form. Hit OK. We're going to click Add Attachment again. We're going to drop down for 2024 Property Tax Assessment Notice. We're going to type in that description again. And then we're going to hit Next. We're going to review it, our summary. Then we're going to check the box saying we did to the best of our knowledge. Then we're going to go here and hit Submit. We're going to say OK. And there's your confirmations. If you want to see, you can print it. And then if you want to go back, you can go back to here. Go to Action Center. Or you can go over here and hit More. And then hit your submissions. And it's going to show you what the submissions that you did today. If you have any questions, please give us a call at Georgia Department of Revenue.